everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is Philine that says it's always good to know where to shop, when to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes. Okay, for today's video I am going to do unboxing. So there you're going to do unboxing. Yes, and without further ado, let's do it. This is from Banana Republic. And since Banana Republic is one of my favorite brand when they go on sale. But if they don't go on sale, they're not my favorite. By the way, this is their sister company, Atleta, Gap, and Old Navy. Yes. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just unboxing this to show you the deals. This one, I bought this for around 75% off. So yeah, let's do it. So this one is like an unboxing haul. Ta-da. Let's see. Let me put this down. So this one is a top. Oh my god, it's almost the same. There you go. It's really beautiful. Okay. This one is another top. Actually, this is like a unboxing haul, and it's been a while since this one is sitting here, and I will just throw that away over there. And ta-da, there you go. I don't know how much I have, but so maybe in the future I will do a haul and a try on haul, but this time I have very small space, I could not do it. So this one is a dress. Okay, hang on. This is a dress, a maxi dress. That's right. So they were very cheap when I bought them. 75% off. This is originally $119. And another one. You know, guys, I have few of these one. I think I have, okay, I have two. I don't know why I bought two, so I have no idea. And see, this is the thing for me, that I watches the sale, and then when they go really down, then I have to buy a lot. The t-shirt, oh my god, one of my favorite is the cotton in Banana Republic. They are really awesome. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. There you go. And another, what did I do? Is it a dress? Oh, another dress. So this is the black dress. There you go. Black dress. Yay. So maybe in the future I will try this on, or I'll just wear it while vlogging. That's right. And I don't know how many I have. Hang on. Let's put this aside. This is a t-shirt. There, nice cottony shirt. I really love t-shirt. I like wearing it in summertime, in the house. And look at that. How soft is that? And more t-shirt. So I have a lot. Okay, so this one is what is that? Banana Republic 78. It's very nice. Nice. And of course, I never tried a Banana Republic leggings, so I bought one. I don't know how this is gonna fit, but this is, I think, medium. I have no idea. It seems like it's a little bit bigger, but as if I am smaller, which is I am not. Oh dear. So another one. This is top. So this is really pretty cute, and I really like it. Look, Banana Republic. So try to visit Banana Republic, especially they always have a lot of sales, and they have like additional sales. Like if you buy, they have 40% off additional of your purchase, and sometimes 25, sometimes it's 60%. So there you go. I love this t-shirt. They are so super soft. So there you go. And of course, look at this. Last but not the least, these are Banana Republic socks. I like socks, and so let's open it, because there you go. So this is like this socks, and the rest are the same. So I bought 4 of them because they were really cheap. Okay, so if you like this video, there you go. If you like this is a lot of my haul today, unboxing haul. Look at that. So I don't know how many pieces I bought. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 17, I think 17 pieces. All right, that's it for today. And if you like to buy the deals, I have Mercari down listed below. You can check out my page and you can offer me and we can bargain. Okay, thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. Bye.